There are several other units that utilize fusion weapons. Despite this, they are a bit hard to source. Harlequins don't have enough fusion pistols for every model in the box. Storm Guardians and Fire Dragons are fine cast models, and Autarchs are far too expensive to sacrifice for a fusion gun. Luckily, it's easy enough to kitbash your own fusion weapons, using the Eldar Guardian kit and some bits of plastic art. First, take the shuriken catapult and snip off the front, the ammunition clip and the rail. File off what remains of the handle for the left hand. Then take the backpack antennae, remove the connectors and glue them together. Remove any gems that are in the way. Now file down a 4mm plastic art rod into the shape of a nozzle. I explained how to do this in a previous video. You can try to cut or drill vents into the nozzle, but it's difficult to get a clean result, so it might be best to paint that detail on instead. Glue the nozzle to the antennae, and then glue the antennae to the gun's body. Create the ammo canister by filing down a 3mm plastic art rod. You can create the fusion chamber using a piece of bass guitar string. I've used an A string, though I don't quite know what thickness. Alternatively, you could wrap a 0.3mm sewing wire around a 1mm plastic art half rod. Now that all the basic components are in place, you should fill any gaps with green stuff. If you're unhappy with the smoothness of a certain part, and sanding it is not an option, you can apply a few coats of thinned down liquid green stuff. Finally, apply some extra detail. You could add tubing using guitar string, sculpt some gems with green stuff, or glue on some bits of thin plastic art rod. These are some of the fusion weapons I've created using this method. If you have questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments.